Hi, this is Chef Vicky Ratnani and welcome to my kitchen. आज हम एक शानदार रेसिपी पकाने वाले हैं आपके लिए. मेरा green roast chicken with grilled vegetables. Now today I'm going to be cooking all these amazing recipes using the Faber Air Oven. Why air oven? Because it's actually a combination of an air fryer and a convection oven. Now let's start cooking. First things first, I have a fantastic hariyali or green marinade here. Right here, look. It's made with mint, cumin, garam masala, lemon juice, coriander, ginger, garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil. So first things first, I've got a skinless chicken legs right here, into which I'm going to be putting this marinade. So अच्छी तरह हमने ये marinate कर दिया. Now ideally you should be marinating your chicken for a few hours अगर आपके पास time हो. अदरवाइज ऐसे भी चलता है, बट आइडियली एटलीस्ट आधा तो पौना घंटा आपको रखना ही चाहिए एक शानदार चिकन के लिए. आई हैव ऑल्सो प्री हीटेड द ओवन फॉर 5 मिनट्स. नाउ दिस फेबर एयर ओवन कम्स विद 15 प्रीसेट मेन्यूज, सो यू डोंट हैव टू बी अ शेफ लाइक मी टू कुक. चेक द प्रीसेट मेन्यूज, cook, and trust me, you're going to get the most amazing dish for you and your family. So now we've got a really nicely marinated chicken leg. Now I could have put this into the oven right now, but let me put both together because you know what the beauty of this oven is, that you can cook almost 2 or 3 things at the same time. There's a 360 degrees air circulation, which means that everything is heated properly, evenly, and cooked beautifully. Now for my vegetables, very simple. Always encourage yourself and people around you to eat more vegetables. Now this creates a fantastic balanced meal, and of course you have some great flavors coming through. Now I've got some simple zucchini or courgettes as we call them. So we've got some courgettes here, into which I've got these lovely baby capsicums which are also available here. So the idea is to have 2-3 different kind of vegetables, so it gives a very nice interesting flavor profile to your dinner. Then I have some lovely these chotu baby new potatoes, और मैंने क्या किया है कि मैंने इसे बिल्कुल बॉइलिंग सॉल्टेड वाटर में 7 या 8 मिनट के लिए मैंने ब्लांच कर दिया है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स दिस इनसाइड हियर एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट सीजनिंग इट. नाउ फ्लेवरिंग, सो टू सीजन इट आई हैव गॉट अबाउट अ टीस्पून ऑफ सॉल्ट स्वाद अनुसार. आई हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्लैक पेपर, आई हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ जीरा यानी कि cumin powder. I've got a pinch of paprika which I'm adding into this. I've got a little bit of green chilies. Okay, थोड़ा सा तो spicy मुझे तो अच्छा ही लगता है. Then along with this, what I've got here is I'm adding just about a teaspoon and a half of olive oil here as well. Going to give this a nice mix. Okay, so ये जो हमारी grilled vegetables का marination या flavoring is already ready. I also have some rosemary here. Okay, so I'm adding 2 or 3 sprigs of rosemary. Now my vegetables and my chicken are already ready. My oven is already preset. So first things first, let's load up our trays. So I'm going to be dropping the vegetables here, right here. Another advantage of cooking in an air oven, okay, is that जो तेल आप यूज करते हैं, you use very less of oil, okay, which means that automatically it is healthy to eat in this, okay. As you can see, the air oven is loaded. And now, as I always say, let's start cooking. So very simple, you press start and you have these lovely French style doors. Now as we say, the magic is in the making, and this chicken is going to be ready in 35 minutes with some beautiful grilled vegetables. Now look at this magic which has happened here. Okay, we've got these fantastic vegetables which are so beautifully grilled here, and we also have this amazing chicken. So before that, let's start plating this up first for you. So these fabulous vegetables are ready. Next, our chicken. Our perfectly grilled chicken legs are also ready. And now that's what I call a fabulous, tasty and a healthy meal.